How to fix archived story missing or not working on Instagram. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Head over to Archive. Right now in this page, you will be able to see the post archive. If you're having issue on viewing your story archive, then tap on this three dot at the top right corner of the screen. And then head over to Settings. At the very top, you will be able to see the option of Save Story to Archive. You have to toggle off this button for 15 seconds. Once it has been 15 seconds, toggle on this button once again. And then go back to your previous page. Click on this little down arrow icon. And then head over to Stories Archive. And there you go, the Stories Archive will be visible to you now. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In here, search for the application Instagram and then move into it. You simply have to uninstall this application and then reinstall the app. Most of the time, reinstalling the application has fixed the issue. So reinstall the app and check whether your problem has been solved or not. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix archive story missing or not working on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.